I talk to a lot of students that come through a course, get their feedback, understand what they like about it, what brought them in, and what they learned out of it. And what I find really interesting or kind of fascinating is that students get a new appreciation for exactly how these things are working at a deep level, right? And many students that are doing the pen testing, they may not have a programming background. Many programmers may not have an application security background. So when they take the course, they get to see these two worlds mesh together. And what they get out of it is they get an understanding for not just how things are supposed to be built, because that's kind of part of it, but it's more like this is how things break. And this is how what you're doing or what you're testing against may not be appropriate, right? So for example, maybe they are a Python developer and they are building a Python web application, and they're used to building some templates and using strings, right? So one of the newer things that we're doing now is we're showing them how to go from a string injection attack, which is bad enough, into a full-on command injection attack, right? So they get appreciation for Python, the programming language. They're learning object reflection, which is something they don't talk about a lot, especially when it comes to Python. It's got a little bit of reflection attacks, some interesting Flash stuff, deserialization is explained. So all of these more advanced and kind of novel but useful attack techniques are being learned by the students, and they're kind of seeing how the methodology for it.